Hi guys, welcome back to Drinks and More. We'll make cocktails, mocktails, all drinks for all occasions and for everyone. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you the Galaxy Cinderella Mocktail recipe, since a Cinderella mocktail is pretty much popular on this channel. So for this recipe, you'll be needing 3 major ingredients. Any pink drink of choice. I'll be going with my tango berry peachy drink. Any blue drink of choice. So I'm going to be going in with my blue curacao syrup and also diluting with some Dutch tonic water. Our star ingredient for the day is a silver luster dust, which is 100% edible. You can find that in any baking store around you because it's commonly used in cakes. In my tall glass, I'm going to go in with 1 ounce of blue curacao syrup, and then I'll be going in with 2 ounces, which is 60 ml, of my tonic water to dilute my blue curacao syrup and also to enhance the flavor. Next, I'm going to be setting the glass aside. In another glass, I'm going to pour in 2 ounces of my pink drink, and then I'll be adding just a little bit, more like a pinch of my silver luster dust into this pink drink. I'm going to give my drink a good stir to make sure that the luster dust is well incorporated in the drink. Now, if you look at a drink at this time, you'll see it will begin to glitter. It will have that metallic color. There will be that metallic texture, which is what we are aiming for in this drink, and that's what makes it a Galaxy drink. So next, I'll be setting that glass aside, and then I'll bring back my tall glass, which has my blue drink. I'm going to top it up with some ice. Please feel free to use crushed ice if you have available, because that is preferable whenever you're making any layered drink. Once I have my ice in the glass, I'm then going to go ahead and float my pink drink in the glass. Please, if you're still watching, kindly support the channel by subscribing to this channel, giving us a thumbs up and sharing our videos. Liking our channel or our videos actually helps you to recommend us to more viewers. Now, once I've floated my pink drink in the glass, I'm going to then go ahead and garnish my drink with some strawberry or any fruit of choice. I'll go in with my straw, and then I'll give the drink a slight stir so that the luster dust also finds its way down to the blue drink, and then you begin to see that glitter effect both in the blue and in the pink portion of the drink. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.